This universe is a marvelous place, full of mystery and whimsy and opportunities to learn. And we traveled far in 2020, exploring the far reaches of the distant universe, and returning home to wander the wild woods of our own precious Earth, to observe its wondrous creatures and learn their minds, and along the way find ourselves gasping at their incredible power and beauty. And sometimes, perhaps, getting caught up in a moment of whimsy.
Hey now, hey, knock it off! Hey, I just want to eat some of you!
And as the year progressed and winter slowly turned into spring, it was nice to slip into the forest and find a little mango tea? Maybe I was foraging the wrong thing that day. But as the cool days slowly yielded to summer, we spent more and more time out and about, where nature provided everything we needed, from a fine cup of tea to the requisite greens for a lovely salad. Though mischief has a way of sneaking up here and there, and an intrepid naturalist and forager never knows just what he might encounter deep back in the woods.
Seriously?
But often enough, to understand our own natural world better, we looked skyward to see what the stars and our neighboring planets reveal to us about the nature of our own world, while at the same time discovering that our own world told us something about the nature of the universe and even life beyond the confines of our atmosphere. And while looking outward, it was inevitable that wonder and curiosity carried us upon the mind's eye, away from the bounds of Earth, to discover the beauty of those worlds just beyond. And then brought us back home to discover the unknown marvels of our own skies. And while we explored and learned about the mysteries of the natural world, we discovered that it is also learning, and that like us, nature is aware, it understands, and it is greater than the sum of its parts. And we found that there are warnings in nature that are ignored at our own peril. And all too often we discovered that greed meant we must fight for the good in our world. Prepare for another year of science, fun, and advocacy here on the Naturalist 2021, one of the most unique channels on YouTube.